Well boys, today is the day guys. We officially do the first start on the mazdaspeed 3 with all the new bolt-ons on. For those of you who missed out on the videos, I'd go back and watch those first and then come back. But we got pretty much some bolt-ons on. As you can tell, we got the front mount intercooler, we got a catless downpipe, got an air intake, got a 3-port boost controller, high pressure fuel pump. Off camera guys, I actually gave this thing a nice fresh oil change with none other than Pennzoil 5W30, fully synthetic. This has been a long time coming and we're only getting started. Before we can go ahead and start this car, there's actually one thing that we need to install. And that is, of course, we cannot forget the key to our tuning right here, the Cobb access port. Plugs into the OBD port, this plugs into the access port itself, and of course we got our access port. And we already downloaded the tune from FreakTune, the base map for this car. So that means I'm still gonna have to go and do some data logging and stuff, but not right now. The tuner said to drive about 30 miles, which in kilometers is about 46 kilometers. So we gotta drive it for a bit, make the access port, learn the system and stuff. Then after that, we can do our data logging. Still gotta figure out what I wanna do with all this wiring. Just for now though, we'll just have it loose for now. A lot of you guys have been wondering, where has my access port been? I've had this for so long. It's just I've been waiting to throw on the bolt-on. All right, there we go. Car is connected. Now I just go right here. J. Allen, right here. The Base Map Pro Tune. While we're waiting for that thing to download, that tune to download, here we go. Of everything that we have inside the engine bay that we did. We did the catless downpipe, which is right down there. We did the front mount intercooler, which you guys can obviously see like right in front of you. We did the intake, we did the 3-port boost controller right down in there. We did the oil restrictor bolt that's like down somewhere there. Yeah, right there. Of course we have our CX Racing bypass valve, blow-up valve. I have a HKS one as well. I'm most likely gonna put that one back on after. Of course we got our high pressure fuel pump. We've done that like way before. That was like probably the first thing we did. Check it out. Installation successful. Please turn ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. All right guys, it's officially time to turn this thing on for the first time with all the mods on it right now. Cold start, boys. Holy smokes, guys. The car is literally running again. What the hell? All right, guys, so we're pretty much driving back to the usual spot to test things out. And we're just gonna hear the noises that this thing makes because, oh boy, I'm pumped. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Do you guys hear the noises? Hold on guys, I put the windows up a bit, but do you guys hear that? Oh my gosh. That sounds amazing. Like bro, you guys can hear the boost building. Oh my gosh, this sounds so damn good, guys. I can't stop. Guys, what in the world, dude? Woo. I'm barely even getting on it. All right, try to downshift. Oh my god. Woo! The noises are real. Bro, I can't get over this noise. Jeez, dude. I'm really not sure if the camera is like picking up the sound, but oh my goodness. In person, this thing sounds loud, guys. Loud. Jeez. I think we're gonna need to get an outside view of this car, of like some flybys or something, because I have to hear how this thing sounds like from the outside, 100%. Because like I said, this thing sounds very loud, so I got to know how it sounds like from the outside. There's just no way this is the same car. Like, this doesn't even feel like my Speed 3 anymore. This is so weird. Oh my goodness. Like, this is really my car, guys. What the hell, dude? And so far, guys, all the temps and everything that's on the access port right now seems really good. So let's keep it going. All right, guys, so we're back in this disclosed location where there's not a lot of heavy flow of traffic. But I'm gonna try and put the windows down, but I don't know if you guys can hear it because there's so much wind. But we'll do one just to see how it works. Like, it's so crazy, guys. Like, listen to this. I'm actually super glad that I'm not one of those people that went with just a straight Cobb OTS tune and actually got a Pro tune first, right off the bat. Do it right the first time and you'll be satisfied. Okay, let's go again. And then we'll try and get a shot from the outside. Whoa, you guys see that on the road? Damn, guys, I'm not even gonna lie, you can smell the catalyst so clear. Now it is pretty windy, so I'm gonna try to put you guys right here, and we're gonna do some flybys or drive-bys back and forth down this street here, and we're gonna try and see what we can do. Bro, that is so trippy. There's like a person right there, but it's not actually like a real person. It's literally just a mannequin with a Donald Trump mask over its head. That's crazy. Yeah, guys, let's see how this thing sounds from the outside. So I'm not too sure how that came out, but it sounds insane. I don't know if you can pick up on the camera from those clips, but if you guys did hear it, it is stupid loud in this thing. This car literally sounds so damn good. It's so different, and to see the front mount just peeking through the grill like that is just so aggressive and hard. All we gotta do now is match the exterior with what's under the hood. We've done some bolt-ons. Now it's time to switch over to the exterior and make it as pretty as it sounds. And update on the front mount, guys. This thing is not moving, so sturdy in place. Feels amazing. I do want to actually try and see if I can get this up higher, but it's in a good position. I just want it a little bit more higher. Before I go ahead and end this video, because I know it's pretty short, but we're gonna do a few revs with this car and just see how it sounds overall. So But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think of the Speed 3 with its new upgrades, first start, first drive. Man, this car is amazing. I'm telling you guys, once we clean the body up and make it look as good as the front mount and the mods and stuff like that, this car is gonna be so much different, I'm telling you. Pretty much everything. I just went and parked this up right here just to get a few Instagram pictures and some reels and some TikToks. You know, if you after you're driving your car, you have to go and take some pics and photos, right? The Speed 3 literally looks so damn good right now. I really do feel like I have to do a POV. I have to get a GoPro so that we can really just focus on driving and don't have to hold up the camera and stuff. I really have to get a GoPro very soon. I thank you guys for tuning in and watching. And if you're super excited about the Speed 3, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Speed 3. And let me know if you have any suggestions on what we should do with the Speed 3. But yeah, I'm definitely looking to do some exterior mods now because we did some performance mods. Now we can do some exterior stuff. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for watching and tuning in. I appreciate all the support. Even one of you on these videos means something. So I thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.